video, I am going to talk about the importance of newspapers. Newspapers are very important today, and it is playing a huge role today in for many people who are living who are inside the home, who are not able to go outside the home, and also the people who are going outside also. This newspaper is giving information all over the world, in North Pole to South Pole to Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Every news we can know by this newspaper. Come guys, let's go inside this video and know some other uses of newspaper. For knowing all the uses, don't skip this video and see this video till end guys. The newspapers are in all the languages. Mostly in India there are diverse number of languages. More languages are there. In all the languages newspapers are present, and mostly in the state languages, the regional languages, the newspapers are present, and in every languages many newspaper channels are there for posting their news in their newspapers. And also the news companies are having many journalists who are working for the newspaper companies, and also the companies which are telecasting the news in the television, and also that is also good, and also reading the newspaper is also good. And not only we can know the news for the students, the reading newspaper is very good. If I am weak in Tamil, if I am weak in English, if I am reading Tamil newspaper or English newspaper, I can develop my vocabulary also. By this more we can also know the news, and also we can develop our vocabulary by speaking. And also not in the newspaper we can know all the newses, which can be politics or literature, giving award, or any sacrifices done in the borders, or the things which are done in the coastal areas, the functions, everything we can know in the newspaper. These things we can know because of the journalists who are there in all the places, in the cities, in all the towns. Many people are there, journalists, and every day many newspapers are sold, and in these newspapers many newses are coming, and people can know. People are having good maturity in many advanced departments and advanced fields, even in sports. If a person is liking football or cricket, that person can know many news from the newspapers. And also we can know the news from the television, or we can know the news from our mobile phones also. Though we can know the news from television and mobile phones, for it can be done only by the people, middle class people. But the persons who are living in the slum areas, very poor people, will not, mostly many people in the slum areas will not have the television, and they won't have any Android phones like today. And if this is not there, the newspapers are cheap and just less cost, and with the newspapers the poor people can get and read, and they can know the information, and also they can get the education also. And not only this, by the newspaper many works are done by the government also, so that if any problem is there, that problem can be taken to the government and can be taken to all the people by the help of this newspapers and news channels. So this news channels are very helpful for those people, like even a common problem in the street light, or leak in the drinking water, or leak in the drainage water, can be known to by the government and by all the people by the newspaper if they are reading. And also these newspapers are very can and also these newspapers can be got in many places. If Tamil newspapers will be mostly present in Tamil Nadu, though it is only present in Tamil Nadu, it can be present in in the northern state also by some of the transportation, and also it is a great thing for the advertisement also, because many companies and mostly the films and many shops are doing advertisement by this newspapers, which can people know about those shops. And if it becomes as April or May, the admissions in the schools are done in the newspaper, and if we can know about the shops, schools, and there is a great advertisement in the newspapers, so we can know about the shops and schools also. And these newspapers are having many merits, and this is all having some demerits also, but we must take off the demerits, and the merits of this newspaper is very higher than the demerits. And guys, today my video is over, and I believe you know more about the merits of the newspaper. Thank you guys for seeing this video, and if you like this video, click the like button, share this video, and for more videos subscribe my channel and click the bell button guys. Thank you for seeing this video. Bye. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.